afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House. Today we're doing a brunch dish for you. It's basically French toast with mascarpone cheese and fresh fruit. Delicious. Really, really good. There's a French name on this. What's it called, Julian?
Pain perdu.
What?
Pain perdu.
Pain perdu.
Yeah, lost bread, really.
Lost bread?
Yeah.
Alright, well it's not lost here because we have it here in Dunbrody. So, 2 eggs, for a mix, and we have some sugar.
Yeah, Michel saying that you have a great French accent.
Oh, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. I'm going to learn French this year. That's my plan. So we have a little bit of milk going in there.
What did you put in the mix?
So 2 eggs, whole eggs, milk, and sugar. Okay, I've got my pan on here. I'm just going to put some butter in there. Get that going. I've got my bread. Basically, you want to soak your bread. It's easier when you've got a bowl big enough for it, Julian.
Might have didn't think of that one.
Hey, Julian.
Can you soak the bread?
Look at the difference.
Can you soak the bread in advance?
No, not really, see, because the bread will fall apart on you. So, that's it, in that goes.
Did you ever did French toast with bacon?
Yeah, it's delicious. And sometimes my personal favourite is actually French toast with no sugar in it. I like a savoury French toast, so. But I know a lot of people like these.
And do you need whole bread, or can you use any fresh bread, or
Say that again, sorry, Jim?
what kind of bread do you use?
That is sourdough bread, but you can just use regular sliced pan, it's fine. So just cut your strawberries in half, like so. Like that, it's fine. And we have mascarpone cheese here. So if you just get a little bit of heat on your spoon, a bit of water, it just helps you shape the mascarpone cheese so it just looks prettier. You do it. Oh, look at this.
Would one of these slices serve for one person, or do you think it serves for more?
That's completely up to you. I'd say 1 slice is probably enough, but it tastes so good.
It smells very nice now. Did you ever serve the pain perdu with jam, it says?
Yeah, I think traditionally it is served with jam.
Yeah, it could be, yeah.
So, you should know that you're French, Julian.
Yeah, and at home we are eating just with fresh fruit. Like that, actually.
Ooh. Look at that. Nice bit of mascarpone cheese, which will start melting, and I think that's the whole point of it, isn't it? It just melts. Some fresh strawberries.
Did you ever cook the strawberries as well? Would you serve it with the strawberry cooked?
You can actually, you can flambe them, but it depends on the time of year. So this time of year the strawberries are so good, I wouldn't cook them. So we just got a little bit of strawberry coulis now, just to make it a little bit more indulgent. A little bit of squeeze of lemon juice over top.
There's one person saying it sounds like just perfect pancake.
Oh. Delicious. See you tomorrow.